Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Slide the 2 tightening bolts towards the centre of the cabin filter flange, then remove it. Take the outer extremity of the cabin filter and remove it. There are 2 types of cabin filter. The white ones are called pollen filters, while the black ones are called activated charcoal filters. The first ones help prevent dust from entering, while the second filters out both dust and gases. The choice is yours. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point to the driver's side. Put the flange back on and screw it in, sliding the tightening bolts outwards. Operation completed.